hours to hilo. Yeah, wish it was better circumstances, reasons why e ho'i ana I hilo. And it just is so unfortunate that ho'oleva and funerals and deaths are what have to call us back home. But it is what it is, and here we are. So we're packing for that. By the time you're watching this, I'm in Hilo already. Actually, we should be coming home from Hawaii Mokupuni. It's hola e kahi, hola e lua o ke kakahi aka nui, okay? But you're gonna come along for this, the packing. I gotta grow my eyebrows. Maybe come with me to my nail appointment. But you're in the closet because we're about to look at what lole aloha I'm going to be taking. Okay, so let's have a look-see at that. There's the look-see. Here's my little ku'ono lole aloha. Probably both of my kialo piko are going. Anakala and I were thinking we should just wear lole aloha the whole time. And we have something pretty cool coming up for Po'alima. I locked in a photographer is gonna photograph us professionally all together. Rambling. Okay, so thinking of the Kialo Pico coming. My mo I think will be for the Ho'olava Day. So this is where I was kind of going back and forth because I just like us being coordinated. I don't necessarily do the whole buy 3 of the same print so that we're all matching in the same print. I like to do coordinating colors. And what I like to do is I kind of focus my outfits and Vaiahi her outfits to Kiali'i because he only likes certain styles. I kind of just go with whatever. So Mo'o will probably be for Ho'olava, but I do want to wear it for the photo shoot. I mean, come on. But then that means we're gonna have to wear it twice in this. And no problem with that. This is just comfy all around. Okay, this muslin type of material, small kind see-through. It's so olu that I feel that I must take it. Okay. Now the other option for ho'olava wear was the palaka. My brother's in the military. He's in the Air Force, and he will be wearing his blues. He calls them his blues. Air Force, navy blue. Will have coordinating colors similar to that of his blues, of his uniform. Obviously, this is ele, but I think it could work. Upcycling, okay? None of this buying a whole nother outfit. No. Aole. I will wear this until it has holes all over the place, okay? So kind of the papamanava, okay? No leila ho eana mako I leila po'akolo. Ayana ka ho'olava maka po'aha. The funeral is on Thursday. Po'aha, Thursday night. We have a dinner reservation at one of my grandpa's favorite buffet spots. I have an outfit picked out already for that, plus Vaiahi. So Thursday night is locked in. We were just trying to coordinate what outfit we were going to wear for the ho'olava, and if we were going to outfit repeat for the photo shoot the next day, because I think my kaikunana is going to be in his blues again for the photo shoot. I don't think so. I think I'm overpacking. I haven't shown this yet. This is my rocket ʻohana palule. Akanana I hope I can now. Oh, that bugger goes low ihi a ilalo loa o ke kua. I have to wear this to the airport, but I'm in between. I don't know. But I think no kamanava, these can go in the suitcase. No ka umau lole aloha ele ke me ke ia whai hovau I ke ia ano hanger. Alela ke ho ea mako I kalumi. Vehe I ke eke, boom. Hoki vale mai ke eke alela kaulai. Progress so far. Okay, we'll start here because I know this is Makoko. This is Thursday night, evening after ho'olava to my grandpa's favorite spot for a buffet. So he chose this lole aloha mai tanoa. She got a pale mai and then her shorts underneath. And I have my outfit here. I think this is a long sleeve, my pale mai, and then this pa'u, my Simply Sisters mai hilo. My idea with packing for this is we put all of our outfits in one pu'ulu. Kiali'i his lole, my lole, Vaiahi her lole. Ke hiki mai ka waho o makokau when it's time to get ready. I put a whole pu'ulu out from the packing cube or from the suitcase. Don't even have to think. All of our lole, one fell swoop, just makokau. But that's the only pu'ulu I have ready is po'aha, Thursday evening. We have this. Ko Vaiahi lole aloha for the photo shoot on Friday. So this is Friday morning. And now we have Kiali'i. His lole is, I guess, semi-makoko if you call this makoko. I have no idea. Now the thing is, oh, here, see, I have her lolevavai with her dress already, makoko. I have a matching palule. It's a shirt, and we tried putting this ensemble together earlier and it didn't work. And I tried putting it with a black silk skirt. It just would look too casual for a photo shoot. So what I think we decided, and I need to ask Kelly this again for the 10th time, that him and Vayahi will be matching in their Lole Aloha Manuheli, and then I will be in my Kealo Piko Momo. Like I said, it is what it is. I just don't like doing the whole match, copy paste thing. And we'll more or less be in the same colorway. Yeah, Nani, it'll do, okay? I know Aloha Collection wet bags are all the rave, but I think I've moved on from that. Only because you cannot see inside the bag. I've moved on to Regibiv color coordinated clear see-through eke. You can see the contents inside the bag. My idea here is color coordinate. Okay, so Vayahi is poni. All of her things will go in poni. So I know that if it's poni, then it's Vayahi, her ma'am. For example, I already have one of these packed. This is all of my electronics and it's in uli uli. I bring a full-on extension cord because with all the filming and stuff I do and all the stuff that I'm charging and all the, you know, external lights and phones and cameras and things that I'm charging, I don't have time for be messing around with 1 or 2 ports. I need multiple. I have a camcorder for vintage, old school filming style purposes. All kind USB, USB-C ports, wires, all the things. It's all in here. So I'll try to coordinate it that way. So one of the things I need to decide to is what eke I'm taking on the plane as my carry-on. We'll figure out what eke that is later, maybe tomorrow or today. What I'm gonna hold my car right now is Havla's accident emergency bag. What I've needed to add to this bag is some type of small first aid kit. So this eke going with me everywhere. Okay, it's gonna shift from bag to bag. And what I like to put in it is shorts, long leggings, a regular tank top or t-shirt, and then 1 long sleeve. And the reason for the options is because if it's at night, then at least we have long sleeve and she can stay warm. If it's during the day and she has a little accident, then at least she can keep cool. Because I don't want to pack one type of style clothes and then it's friggin' freezing or really cold, but then I only get shorts and tank top. Or I don't want to be somewhere where it's velalua, but all I have is leggings and a long sleeve shirt. And then I fill it with quite a bit of palemai. And then I like to put a Ziploc bag in it for accidents so that I have something to put it back into and not just throw it in the eke, because the eke still is holding the other pair of lole plus the additional palemai. Okay, it is what it is. It's just, that's just my being extra over the top makokau in all type of different circumstances. And then I usually bring what we keep in the room, her Tylenol or whatever la'au lapa'au, with her toothbrush, her floss, her pokaniho, all that stuff. This will be it. No need a long sleeve because she's gonna have a lakeke. And these are her leggings. And in this eke, wipes. So if we gotta go lua, we're not fishing around for the wipes either. It's a 1 grab and go. This is a grab and go eke. It's like we need it, it needs to come out. Let's go. And then we need the Ziploc bag. Outfits. I wasn't planning on showing you folks my outfits, but I wanted to see what this one would look like with a long sleeve. Because if it looked anoe, then I would switch it to a short sleeve, which I also have, but this is nani. Not bad. Yep, I think it works. One guest who hasn't slept a wink yet. I'm serious, look, the sun is out. The sun is out. Joined me here. Hello. Have we made any progress? I think so. So what I've done is broken it down by the day. Imagine Wednesday's outfit, tomorrow's outfit to the airport here. And then we're gonna go Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay? Now this, as well as this for Vayahi, are just extra clothes. This particular pile is our hele ikalua pele outfit. I mean, that can be for anything. It doesn't just have to be for the little pele, but just cold nights or something. If we decide to go do something at night, I don't know. That's that, okay? That's there. I decided to go with a linen white dress to the airport. So this H&M goes right above my knee dress that I got, I don't know, last year. Black biker shorts. So that's my Lole. And then Vayahi, I want her to wear her yellow puki, her yellow croc boots with this outfit, because it's supposed to, like I said, hekili rain the last 3 days. Voila, airport outfit. Oh yeah. Okay. I know it comes with this flap here, but the thing is, opening, closing. I tend to like to close the suitcase and just keep it closed for the whole trip and have everything out on a table or hung up or put in the drawers. I actually do use the drawers, believe it or not. But yeah, I go mo ale ʻohana I ke mo pake ke mane no ka mea pone vehe pani. Forget it. This way I can just hooky everything out in the cubes. Pani ike eke. Oh, ale pone no. I think I'm gonna take my black and white palaka. I'm not sure. And ma'anei. It's a whole nother pakeke over here. I get my kama'a no ka ho'olava ma'anei. My shoes for the funeral, and then Akala is taking his puki. And then once I finish my helevavai ana tomorrow, then I'll put my walking shoes in here because I am going to try and walk. Hilo. Raja. For the important business, my mea ai mama. I'm not closing this up just yet, but this is my skincare and makeup. This is the Calpac Eke. Look at that. I love this. Lip liners, mascara, contour stick, blush, primer, brown eyeliner, and then skincare. Okay, so it has pockets on both sides. The thing open like that. Isn't that cool? Aila palela, sunscreen. What is that? Lumify eye drops, cleansing balm to take off the day, hypochlorous acid solution spray, face and body, that Neutrogena Hydro Boost serum. Summer Fridays lip butter balm. Oh, and look at what I'm trying, guys. Look at what I'm putting to the test. Sneak peek. You guys saw this before. New Organics Lash Serum, TikTok. So I'm putting it to the test. I think it's been 2 weeks so far, or 1 week yesterday. And then these are cool. These are the Olay face wash, but they're perfect for travel. You just put a little bit of water on top, and the thing suds up, and it becomes a face wash. And it's especially good for sensitive skin because this particular one is fragrance free. So this is all makuahine things, okay? This is not, this bag nobody touches but mama. So that's what I think helps, is when we always combine everything with the kiki and the kane. And not everything that only the vahine uses, obviously the kane can use. So that's why you gotta make your own bag for mama, makeup and your skincare stuff. And then you get one for everybody kakua po, okay? It says meds, no more meds in here, get the toiletries and stuff. And then all of Havala's mea is in her own eke too. I don't know, all this stuff just gotta be separate. But then I know it just takes up more space in the lua. But, you know, we're figuring it out. This is a good system, whatever, it works. These 2 bags gonna leave out, but I'll just leave it over here for now. Mahalo. A'ale poina, na palaki pena maka. So, ele no ka ho'olava.
Yeah, you're gonna wear your palaka.
Okay. So I gotta, you know. Kono wai kolole no ka ho'olava.
Oh, okay.
Can't even offer, so I can pack this stuff away and be done. I kind of want our lole to all be together. I gotta go sleep. Not a wink of sleep, y'all. No time. You're like a little kid. Aloha. Oh, Gabby. I'm ready to be on camera now. Sure. It's better already. Ku'e maka reveal in Kolu Lua Kahi. Now I was going to spend the next 45 minutes plucking each individual. No, forget it. Just, yeah, free. Pose. Mahalo. Oh, and also, Mickey Owl reveal. Mahalo.